At some stage, you may want to transfer some material from a course to another course. It might be from one course from one to the following year. Maybe that the course you built this year, you wish to make become your blueprint course. So whenever you want to transfer something from one course to the other, you just go on the course that you want to import things into. That's the simplest way. You can also export. You do import or exports, but that's probably easier. You go in your settings and you're going to import a course content. What you will have to do now is to select what you want to do. Usually it's going to be just copy a Canvas course. Now, the wording is a bit weird. That doesn't mean you're going to to import a whole course. You'll have the option to select what you want. So copy a Canvas course, and then you will type the name. You start typing the name of the course that you want. So if it's a course that you own, or you can go with your last name, or let's say I want to import into my blueprint course, I want to import material that I've created this year in my class. So I will choose the course that I want, and content, all content means that everything will be imported. I'm going to choose select specific contents. So you can adjust the events and due dates if, for example, you're importing assignments. At the moment, I just want to import modules. So I'm going to import, and now I get on this window waiting for selection. I'm going to select the content that I want. Let's say that I want to mainly import some modules. I just click on my modules and I will just choose the modules that I want, or the quizzes that I want. I can choose anything. I can go and select one thing from here, then one assignment. And once I've done this, I will be able to select the content and the import will start. It can take a little while for a big thing. There you go, it's here. That means that this has been added to your course. So you can do that at any time. This is the best way to copy and paste material from one course to another.